So this is so weird. I'm like, this is so weird. Have you ever tried to get out of handcuffs? There's like no logical way to get out of handcuffs without breaking your hand. Ah, there's like no logical way to get out of them unless you like push the pin right here. I don't know if you can see that. In there, there's like a pin. Unless you could like push it, you can't get them undone. Weird. Ugh. I'm just gonna take them off. I broke out of handcuffs. These things are fun to play with. I originally got these things for like my L cosplay because I'm gonna try and get my parents to let me cosplay and cosplay as L because it's the easiest. I'm actually wearing my L shirt right now. You can see this. Oh, my L shirt. It's kind of, you know, yeah, kind of big. Anyway, so I got the handcuffs, but I got the short ones because I'm just gonna like, it's really easy. You can like, this middle chain right here, you can see that right there, it has a break in it. What you can do is you can just take like pliers or something and open that up and then put new chain on each side so that you can have like a 5 foot long chain. So, it's awesome. Anyway, so, handcuffs! And mine, I've had these before and I got them off of, I got like real, like cop grade handcuffs, like security grade handcuffs, like the real ones, but they didn't have a release latch on them, so I ended up having to call a locksmith, and he had to break the handcuffs off of me, and he had to go search through like the database to make sure I wasn't like escaping from prison or something. So if you're gonna ever get handcuffs, there's like the ones you get at the dollar store, which are these ones. They have like this little latch here, and you pull it, and they open. So, handy little thing, because I cannot tell you how many times I've locked myself in handcuffs and have not been able to get out. It's not fun. Then one day, I had it locked like this. I had it locked, and then I remembered I didn't have the key, so I walked around for like a week with just one handcuff on. It was kind of funny. Anyway, I don't know how you guys watch my videos. You guys are stupid. Well, not really, but anyway. Yeah. Oh, and I just want to say, if you guys want to watch some really cool videos, kind of pointless but cool, watch Joey Blonde Wolf. He Joey's really cool. Although it's not really he or she. Well, she's a girl, but she classifies herself as gender neutral. I guess that's kind of what I am, but not really. Anyway, so really cool vids. Awesome. And if you're watching this, hey, stay awesome. Anyway, so yeah. I know that I think she just finished the last year he went to the college program at Disney, which I think that was really cool. Anyway, so yeah. Crap, now I got it stuck on again. These things, honestly, they hurt. They like make a mark on you. They hurt. Jeez. Anyway, probably need to not do this. I took these to school one day, so I ended up drawing them in art class. They're awesome, and they're real metal. These a lot of people get the plastic gray ones. No, these are metal. They clink. So I think I'm gonna go get my puppies. You guys should see my puppies. I'm gonna go get them. Okay, I'll be right back. This is my puppy! Look at the camera! Look at the camera, Shadow! Aww. I'm wearing a white shirt so you can actually see him, because you can't see him in any other color. Aww. Aww, you tired. Tired, buddy. Ah! See? Puppy! I love you. Oh wow, this video is long. Sorry. Okay. Well, hi, puppy. Look at the camera. Okay, well, I have to let my puppy outside. So, bye.